I've been using these generic TWS earphones for a year now, and I find that I need some wireless earphone upgrade that doesn't look like Apple's AirPods. I've found that this Kinera YH623 suits what I am looking for in the design aesthetic and my audio need. Check it out! Kinera is an acoustic brand known to deliver great sound quality. Because of the demand for TWS earbuds, Kinera entered this route and released the YH623, their very first true wireless earbud. For the packaging, we have this hexagonal telescopic box, and let's see what is inside. We are greeted by this unique business card that has Kinera's social media channels. Moving on, our product is sealed by white plastic and is nesting in black foam for protection. We have two pairs of extra silicone ear tips, which is small and large in size. Now let's uncover this plastic to reveal our product. I got this pale salmon color, but when I got it online it says the color is pink. This case feels premium with this matte finish. Opening the case, these are our true wireless earbuds. Other contents of the box are the manual and a USB Type-C charging cable. The Kinera YH623 is a lightweight TWS weighing in for only 45 grams when both earbuds are in the charging case, and only 5 grams per earbud. The charging case can hold up to 400 mAh and can be charged by the charging cord included in the packaging. You can enjoy up to 8 hours of music on a single charge and up to 24 hours of battery life with a carrying case. Its key features are Bluetooth 5.0 support with its QCC 3020 chip, auto pairing, noise cancelling, IPX7 waterproof, which means that it is resistant to rain and sweat, and it has an IPTX codec support so you can enjoy your music without damaging the file quality. I have been using this for about 2 months now, and I have been accustomed to using it whenever I listen to my favorite podcast in the morning or playing lo-fi music while working. The touch function is sensitive and responsive. Even accidentally touching it can make my music pause. Aesthetically, I think wearing it can make me look like I have a pair of hearing aids, especially with this pale salmon color. The fit for me is okay with the medium ear tips, and that can be changed with the other sizes included if you are not satisfied with the isolation. It is snug, and even if I am doing some exercise, this just doesn't fall off easily. I am no audiophile, but compared to my other earphones, the levels of the instruments and vocals are defined. I can use this for 4 hours straight and I have no ear fatigue because of its lightweight design. If you are looking for affordable earbuds for both sports and casual use, go for the Kinera YH623. It retails on Amazon for $69.99 and is available in pink and blue color. If you find this content useful, please hit like and comment on what are your thoughts or questions about the Kinera YH623, and I'll try to get back to you on that. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you'll be updated on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.